Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young boy named Aiden. Aiden was an ordinary child with an extraordinary dream to climb the tallest peak in the world, Mount Everest. From an early age, Aiden was captivated by tales of courage and adventure. He would spend hours reading books about legendary mountaineers and their conquests. Their stories fueled his imagination and ignited a fire within him to achieve greatness. However, Aiden faced a major obstacle: his humble background. His family was poor. They struggled to make ends meet. They couldn't afford fancy equipment or training. Despite these challenges, Aiden remained undeterred. He knew that to accomplish his dream, he needed unwavering determination and an unyielding spirit. Aiden began working odd jobs in the village to save money. Every penny he earned went towards purchasing basic climbing gear. Aiden's friends and neighbors laughed at his audacious goal. They told him it was impossible, that he was a fool for even trying. But their doubts only fueled his resolve. He had the fire of ambition burning inside him, and nothing could extinguish it. With minimal resources, Aiden started training in the surrounding hills. He would hike for hours, pushing his body to its limits. He faced harsh weather, exhaustion, and moments of doubt, but he pressed on. To further his knowledge, Aiden sought guidance from experienced mountaineers who visited the village. He absorbed their wisdom and learned valuable skills. Aiden understood that climbing Everest was not just a physical feat. It required mental fortitude and strategic planning. Years passed, and Aiden's relentless pursuit of his dream did not waver. Finally, the day came when he felt ready to embark on his journey. Armed with determination, a small team of fellow climbers, and the equipment he had managed to acquire, Aiden set off for the majestic Himalayas. The climb was grueling, and Aiden and his team encountered countless challenges along the way. They battled treacherous terrain, harsh weather conditions, and the constant threat of altitude sickness. Each step was an uphill battle, but they refused to give up. As they reached higher altitudes, the air grew thin, and the climb became even more perilous. Aiden's resolve was tested to the limit, but he kept reminding himself of all the obstacles he had overcome to get there. Giving up was never an option. Finally, after weeks of relentless effort, Aiden and his team stood at the summit of Mount Everest, the roof of the world. They gazed in awe at the breathtaking view around them. Tears streamed down Aiden's face as he realized that he had turned his seemingly impossible dream into a glorious reality. News of Aiden's achievement spread like wildfire. People from all over the world marveled at the determination and courage he had displayed. Aiden's story became an inspiration to millions, proving that with unwavering commitment and belief in oneself, anything is possible. Aiden's journey didn't end there. He continued to chase his dreams, setting even more audacious goals and pushing the boundaries of what was considered achievable. His story became a testament to the power of the human spirit, and a reminder that no dream is too big if we are willing to work relentlessly and passionately for it. So remember the tale of Aiden, the young boy who defied the odds and conquered Mount Everest. Let it inspire you to chase your own dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. With dedication, perseverance, and an unbreakable spirit, you too can reach the summit of your aspirations and leave a lasting impact on the world.